So we're back. Let's go check out the progress. It's not progress, it's done.
It's done.
The truck is done. I dropped it off. I'm back to pick it up. Let's go check out the difference from when we left to now.
Yes,
vamos a checar los mufflers, a ver cómo quedaron y a ver cómo se ve de abajo la camioneta. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I rolled up and I saw the tips. They look good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that thing looks good right there. Nice and tucked in. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, the truck is going up. We're gonna check out underneath just to see how it looks. Race line por todos lados. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right, let's go check it out. Look at that. Whoa, big difference, major difference. So right now it's open.
Right now it's open.
Right now it's open.
It's wired directly to the battery.
All right.
So you should be able to close
it's closing right there.
Without having to turn on the truck. Just in case you forget.
There we go.
And you want to go off in the middle of the night.
All right.
All right, so remote start is
you lock it twice and it should turn on. Alright, so hit the switch so you can see how it looks with the... That's great!
yeah, that's overbearing right there.
Oh yeah.
Imagine if we could step on it right now.
If you can step on it, you can probably hear the curdle.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy. Quiet down right now.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna run it right. Whenever you close it, instead of coming out through here, it goes through this muffler. And then, like I said, it's like you don't even have exhaust on it. See?
Wow.
Nothing.
That is crazy.
Nothing. The only thing you heard the first time was the cold start.
Cold start. So, if you guys want something like this, make sure you guys hit Aces. They'll take care of you. Look how clean the work is. Check it out. And how much weight did you take off? A lot of weight.
Yeah, easily. That old muffler you had was about 10-15 pounds plus the piping, yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Well, let's take her down and it's time to drive her, take her home, and then the next upgrade. I want to thank Aces. Thank you for taking care of the truck. Thank you for keeping it here, over the weekend. She looks, sounds great. Can't wait to drive her. And probably take her to the track this weekend, see what she does.
Oh, nice.
Pues ahí quedó, raza. Make sure you like, subscribe. Check out my YouTube channel. Todas las cosas que hacemos. Quedó con madre, se escucha con madre. Aces por todos lados. Make sure you hit them up.